Hi, this is Hillary with Lazy Llama DIY, and warning, what you're about to see is so shocking. It's shocking. If you remember my last video, which was like a month ago, I told you that I was getting ready for a craft show, which is on March 24th. Today is March 13th? March 14th. I think it's March 14th. So that means it's 10 days away. So things have gotten a little crazy here in Casa de Crafty. And I thought I'd share with you just how crazy that looks. I have never been one of those people that's like, oh, I'm gonna like sit here and work on these 3 items, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna put them away and then start on these over here. I'm much more like chaos. So I don't know, get yourself a stiff drink or something, because just at least make sure you're sitting down, because I'm not, and I'm feeling a little wobbly. But okay, you ready? Here goes. There are piles everywhere. There is not a square inch of space that doesn't have a pile on it. I mean, there's piles in the chair, there are piles in the corner, the only place that doesn't really have a pile on it is pretty much the closet. And that's because there's a pile in front of it, so I can't get to it and open it and put a pile in there too. Yeah, this is crazy pants. What we are going to do is we are going to straighten up today. And we'll be back in a few minutes, okay? Well, a couple of minutes, 5 hours. Don't mind that. That's what I'm working on right now. So that's getting ready for the craft show. But you can see the floor. So that's nice. And oh, look at that. You can get in the closet. So I think I did a good job. So let's get on with the craft show. Let's see, how many episodes of Agent Carter did I watch? Looks like 6. So 5 hours, 6 episodes of Agent Carter, and the only you already have a craft room tour, so no need to go into all that. But I think things are looking pretty good. So we're just going to go ahead and mess it up again, getting ready for our little craft show. So I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Yesterday I swear I'm not doing anything.